Hello there, everybody. Welcome to this very quick video giving you some tips on navigating your way around your new member benefit as a member of the Chartered Institute of Payroll Professionals. This is the payroll management content provided by Bloomsbury Professional. So just where you are now is on your home screen, and you'll see here in the Browse My Books section the content that you're entitled to access, completely free of charge. We have our off-payroll tax handbook, recently published, in fact, recently updated as well. And this is a comprehensive commentary to the IR35 regulations, in particular, the extension of those regulations to the private sector, which came in from the 1st of April 2021. And then the other piece of content you have is our payroll management content. If ever you want to get back to the home page, click on the Bloomsbury Professional Online Services logo, and there you are. So payroll management is our flagship payroll product. This is a guide to all the regulatory and legislative background to all aspects of running an efficient and cost-effective payroll operation. So we update this content throughout the year. And if we stick with this product for just a moment, you'll see the contents list down here on the left-hand side. If you want to browse your way around the product, you start by clicking the plus button, and then you see the key points within the chapter. We can click on any one of those. You'll see, by the way, how quickly we move from document to document here. And now you're into what we call the main browsing window of this product. So we're in the payee status chapter. We're looking at the section on distinguishing an employee from other types of payee. And you can see, looking at the contents bar again, this is where you are. So this is your checkpoint as to where you are in the overall product. If that particular section is not one you're interested in, you can minimize that piece. If you have a particular issue dealing with perhaps you're in a business where you've got some employees coming into the UK on a secondment basis to work short term, obviously quite a regulated area at the moment, particularly post the UK leaving the EU. All our chapters have a summary scope of this chapter section at the beginning of the page. You'll see that here, and then we can move into the main area of commentary. So, for instance, let's go and have a look at the National Insurance Contributions section. Here, we call this one document. You scroll down just as you would with any other page on the web. If you want to move back to the previous page, you'll see at the top and the bottom of the page, we have a next document, previous document button. Click on that. It'll take you back to, we're now under PAYE operation, but within the same chapter, the one on seconded employees from the EU. If we want to go back, we're back in the National Insurance section. So there are various things you can do with documents like this. You can print them, should you want to do that. You can click on this export to Word icon, and you'll have a Word version of this document that you can print out or email to a colleague. There's a print button for you up here. You can email the document to a colleague. In fact, you can email the document to anyone you like. We have a reasonable use copyright rule at Bloomsbury Professional. So this document, if you want to email it to a colleague or to somebody in another business, in fact, they will get an email with the URL of this page at the top of the email. They'll be able to click on that, and they'll be able to see the entirety of this document if it's something you want to share with them. If they try to go any further, for instance, back or forward, they'll get a "you're not entitled to view this content." This is an exclusive benefit for members of the CIPP. When we update the product, we summarize it here in this issue. So as you look through the product, you will see from time to time we issue an update, and we summarize what those updates are here. So the last update was in May post-budget. And you can see we updated all the calculations, rates and examples, as well as some of our commentary as a result of the UK leaving the EU. So that's browsing your way around the content. Again, just a reminder, click on the Bloomsbury Professional logo to go back to the home page. We also have 2 quick links if you're looking for very specific information on Brexit-related issues or COVID-related issues, two of our most topical areas of research at the moment. You click on those and you'll find specific areas of guidance for the payroll industry and those sectors. But if you want to do a search across the whole site, here is where you start, the search button in the top right-hand corner of the page. So let's, as an illustration, put in sickness benefits. Click the search button, and I've spelt that wrong. So that's quite a useful tip for you. You need to check your spelling when you're doing your search results. There we go. So very quickly, we've come up with 71 hits where sickness benefits are discussed. We have 8 pages. We've grouped them by sections of 10 results per page. You can refine that any way you want. That's quite a lot of results for somebody to spend a bit of time searching for. So what let's just refine that down a little bit. And what I'm looking for particularly is there may be some people in the organization who are looking for a sickness benefit related to being off with COVID. So let's put that in, let's refine these search results down a little bit. And this is the search box here on the left-hand side. And you'll now see that's appeared in the filter bar here at the top of the page. And we're down to 11 hits, which is a much more manageable number. And if we scroll down, and this looks like what we're looking for here, all the various types of sickness pay. And when you're searching, you will often get the relevant phrases highlighted. The way to remove those is just click on that little button there on the right-hand side of the page, and they're gone. And you'll see here down the bottom of this page, there's a recently updated section about the government's reaction to the COVID-19 pandemic and the amendment of the SSP regulations 1982 as a result of that. So that's a very quick run through of the search function, just showing you how quickly you can get to the specific results you want to do. And if this is something that you want to look for, come back to fairly regularly, rather than just going through the whole search exercise again, you'll see the URL at the top of the page. You can just save this as a favorite in your browser as you would any other web page. So that's a very quick run through of the content you have access to, how to browse and how to search. As I say, there's further guidance down here on the notice board on the right-hand side of the screen. I hope you enjoy using this product. We welcome any feedback you may have. That's it for me. Good luck. Thank you.